guys, welcome back to my channel. So in my last video I shared a Nykaa haul with you, and I told in that video that I'll be doing a first impression or kind of a review of this Innisfree nose patch. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. Before moving on to the application, let's talk about this product first. So its name is Innisfree Jeju Volcanic Nose Patch. It comes in this cardboard packaging and it retails for 230 rupees. So this is how the patches look like. So it comes in a cardboard box of 6 packets. So if you calculate wisely, you will just pay 38 rupees for one patch, which is very nice and budget friendly. So let's see what it is written. It is written that the nose patch is with powerful Jeju Volcanic that attaches to sebum to completely remove ugly blackheads. It is made in Korea. So it is also written that how it is to be applied. So moving on to the direction part, let's see how it is to be used. So it is written that first step is after cleansing, apply ample amount of water to the targeted area, and the second step is remove the clear film on the sheet and place from the center of the nose with the smooth surface attached onto the nose. Third step is when the sheet has completely dried, after about 15 minutes, remove slowly starting with the edges. And the fourth step is apply toner to a cotton pad to tonify the nose area. So that's it with the directions. These are the 4 steps which we should follow. This is it, what it is written over here. So let's move on to the application of this. So this is how my nose is looking before applying the nose patch. So you can appreciate that I have some blackheads on my nose, but I have lot of whiteheads around my nose and on my nose. So let's test it out. So first I will just pull my hair back. Then I will spray some water on my nose and also around my nose so that the nose patch can stick nicely as it was written in the direction part. So after applying the water, I am just removing this nose patch. So you can see it looks like a bandage and it also has a clear film attached to it. Then we'll separate the nose patch with this clear film and apply directly on our nose. So as per the instructions, we'll start with the center of the nose and then move sideways and stick nicely on both the sides. So here one thing to keep in mind is that after you separate the patch from the clear film, apply directly and very fast on your nose so that it does not become dry and it can stick nicely. So after I have placed it, I will keep it for around 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, let's remove this patch and see if this patch works or not. So I am removing from the sides. Do not pull from the center or it might hurt you because it has stuck very nicely. So after I have removed the patch, let me show you if the blackheads have come out or not. So you can see that some blackheads have come out, but for the whiteheads I don't think so that it helps in removal of whiteheads. It has removed some, but most of the whiteheads are still there. So you can see how my nose is looking. Then I will apply a toner to tonify that area and also to close my pores. So this is how my nose is looking after applying the patch. So you can see that it has removed the blackheads nicely and it also has given shine to my nose, and also the textures are gone. But still it does not feel that it works well with whiteheads. So if you are someone looking for blackhead removal, so you can definitely go for this one because it removes blackhead very nicely, but for the whiteheads it does not do anything much. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you next video. Till then, bye.